Can't really see you in here.
Run!
It's like so quick.
Oh, that one was pretty. Yeah, that one was really busy. Gonna get hit with it?
I can't see. No.
Well, then watch
Yeah.
the sky. Instead of watching me, watch the sky.
Run, Daddy. As quick as you can. Don't go kicking your butt. Just run.
Awesome.
I'm sure it's nothing. Since it's professional.
Wow.
That one
Woo.
was nice. Mom, get out of the way. It's going to fall on you.
Hey guys, what's going on?
Hey.
Here, come over here in the light. I can't
I
see
think
you.
this one. Wait, no.
Okay.
We're going to do it.
What do you think, Chad?
I'm deaf right now.
My ears are still good. Oh, I just sat on.
Let's see if we can see the beautiful pool.
Isn't it pretty?
The beautiful colors.
Pretty colors, pretty colors.
What is that supposed to mean?
Oh.
You said it, didn't
Wait,
you?
Dad.
Oh.
Pretty colors, pretty colors.
Beautiful.
Yeah, you can like the rest. Like the rest of them.
Let's see you.
Look at Ben.
Oh, what's going on? Don't put them
They're
right-
hard
right
to
on top.
light. Wait,
Right-
doesn't
right-
Abby? You take some.
Here.
Can I just take like two?
They're really hard to light. They must
Can I
be
just
old.
take one? Can I take two?
Yeah, Ben, give
Those
Abby
must
some.
be Korean, not Chinese. No, you're gonna burn me.
We can hear the people partying at Caliente.
What's that mean?
That's the neighborhood next door.
Yeah, these are the people that are like.
Let's see you, Ben.
Woo! It's cold.
I'm
I
just
love
lighting and rating.
I'm not
stuff
filming
in
you.
the air.
It. No, why not? Big Gibby.
See, it goes a lot. It looks like stars.
Uh-huh.
It's called Sparkling Glory.
Sparkling Glory.
Yep.
Let's see you, Abby. Come over here next to Ben.
Hey, that's not. Party! Give me some sparks, baby! Sparks,
Ben,
sparks.
Stop waving it like that.
Why? Woo!
Why? There?
This flew off. A piece that was like that long and it was red and it flew off that way. So
Yeah.
be careful.
Nice moves. Here, guys, stand over here in the light. I can't see you. Stand over here. Or not.
Wait. I'm shaking my. Let me put it. Spin. Let me put it again. Can you?
You doing another one, Chad?
Yep.
Wait. You can't light that one.
All I can see is the spark.
That one.
That was awesome.
Which one?